In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own website using HostGator. Whether you're diving into online presence for the first time or looking to upgrade your current hosting, this tutorial will guide you through each step with ease, helping you create a website that you can be proud of. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to HostGator's website where the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll have the opportunity to choose from several hosting plans. These plans vary based on your needs, whether you're a beginner just starting out or a business needing advanced features. Take a good look at each plan, considering factors like storage, bandwidth, and included perks such as a free domain. Once you've selected a plan that suits your goals, you can proceed to register a domain. If you already have a domain from a previous setup, that's perfectly okay too. HostGator allows you to use your own domain, making the transition smooth and seamless. Next, it's time to create an account. Fill in the necessary details to get things rolling, ensuring all information provided is accurate. After that, proceed to complete your purchase. Be sure to double check your selections. This is crucial to getting what you need. HostGator often offers great discounts and add-ons, so look for those to enhance your chosen package at checkout. Once you've completed your purchase, it's time to dive into your cPanel. cPanel is your control hub where all the website building activities occur. Log in smoothly and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which can look quite daunting at first sight if you're not used to it. Now, to set up your website, you can either use the WordPress installer or the website builder. For many, WordPress is a top choice due to its flexibility and the multitude of plugins available. Find the WordPress installer and follow the prompts. Alternatively, HostGator's website builder offers an intuitive, drag-and-drop experience that requires no coding knowledge. Choose the option that best fits your comfort level and style. With WordPress or your chosen website builder set up, you can now begin to customize your site. Choose from a range of themes. These are templates that set the look and feel of your site. Consider your brand, audience, and the kind of message you wish to convey. Once you've selected a theme that resonates, you can start adding content. Images, text, and other media are essential components that bring your site to life, so be thoughtful in your selections. After you've added your content, it's time for the exhilarating final step: publish your website. Double check everything to ensure it's perfect, and once you're satisfied, hit the publish button. Your site is now live and ready for the world to see, so go ahead and share it online. Let friends, family, and colleagues know about your new digital space. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your own website with HostGator. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy building.